The realities of being a DevOps engineer. Skills, roles, and misconceptions. This video explores the role of a DevOps engineer, detailing the skills and knowledge required to excel in this career. Often interchangeable with titles like Cloud Engineer or Site Reliability Engineer, DevOps Engineer plays a crucial role in tech companies offering online products or services like SaaS, PaaS, retail platforms. These companies typically have various operational components, such as product development, software engineering, technical operations, and cloud security. In traditional setups, the product development team conceptualizes features and functionalities that are built and implemented by the software engineering team. On the other side, the technical operations team handles cloud infrastructure, systems administration, and network management. You might have heard the age-old complaint, but it works on my computer, highlighting the disconnect between these two teams. DevOps aims to bridge this gap by integrating software engineering and technical operations into a single unified team. In large enterprises, a typical product team would include a product manager, lead software engineer, several software engineers, QA automation engineers, and of course, a DevOps engineer. This structure is considered the ideal way to implement DevOps, but only if it's fully integrated into the software engineering process. Within the engineering team, the DevOps engineer is responsible for designing processes, automation, and frameworks that enable seamless provisioning and management of cloud infrastructure. This ensures that infrastructure setup, configuration management, and the build and deployment processes are executed in a continuously integrated and delivered manner. A skilled DevOps engineer should have proficiency in multiple programming languages like C, Java, JavaScript, Go, or Python. They must also have in-depth knowledge of cloud infrastructure and operating systems like Linux or Windows. These skills allow them to automate various aspects of system operations, leading to automated continuous integration and delivery pipelines. Unfortunately, many companies nowadays simply rebrand their technical operations staff as DevOps engineers, often due to a lack of understanding from technical and product leadership, or as a strategy to attract investment and customers. Becoming a genuine and successful DevOps engineer requires a long journey of learning that spans theory, programming, cloud infrastructure, and practical application. Employers value DevOps engineers who have a track record of solving complex issues and expediting product releases to market. Therefore, it's not just about getting an AWS certification or learning configuration management tools. The role demands much more.